Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. There were more than 600 small and big dash in India. Option A states, option B villages, option C princely states, option D cities. Correct answer is option C princely states. All the princely states merged with India except the states of Junagadh, Dash and Kashmir. Option A Aundh, option B Jhansi, option C Vadodara, option D Hyderabad. Correct answer is option D Hyderabad. Explain the following statements with reasons. Junagadh merged within India. Junagadh was a princely state in Saurashtra. The people there wanted to be merged with India, but the Nawab of Junagadh was thinking of joining Pakistan. The people strongly opposed its decision and the Nawab left for Pakistan. Later in February 1948, Junagadh got merged into India. The Indian government started police action against the Nizam. In July 1947, Hyderabad State Congress passed a resolution for merger of Hyderabad state into India. The Nizam, however, took an anti-India stand. He started making movements for merging of Hyderabad state with Pakistan. To reject the demand of people of Hyderabad to be merged with India, Kazim Rizvi, an associate of the Nizam, formed an organization known as Razakar. Kazim Rizvi and his associates not only oppressed the Hindus but also the Muslims who supported the democratic movement. Due to it, there was inflammation of public opinion. The government of India tried to negotiate patiently with the Nizam, but he refused to respond. At last, the Indian government started the police action against the Nizam on 13 September 1948. Hari Singh signed the instrument of accession with India. Hari Singh, the ruler of state of Kashmir, had decided to remain independent. Pakistan had intended to secure the merger of Kashmir with Pakistan. Due to this, Pakistan started putting pressure on Hari Singh. At the instigation of Pakistan, armed intruders attacked Kashmir in October 1947. At that time, Hari Singh signed the instrument of accession with India. Answer the following questions in brief. Explain the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the integration of princely states. After the independence of India, the Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel very diplomatically found out the way of merging the princely states in India. He took the rulers of the princely states into confidence and prepared an instrument of accession acceptable to all. Sardar Patel convinced the princely rulers the benefit of merging into India. The rulers gave good response to his appeal. All the princely states merged into India except the state of Junagadh, Hyderabad and Kashmir. Sardar Patel took a firm stand and solved the issue of merger of princely states. Explain the contribution of Swami Ramananda Tirth in the struggle for liberation of Hyderabad. Hyderabad was the largest princely state in India. It included Telugu, Kannada and Marathi speaking regions. There was the autocratic rule of the Nizam over these provinces. There was absence of civil and political rights. In 1938, Swami Ramananda Tirth formed the Hyderabad State Congress. The Nizam banned this organization. A struggle began for getting recognition to Hyderabad State Congress and democratic rights. This struggle was led by a militant fighter, Swami Ramananda Tirth. He was assisted by Narayan Reddy and Sirajul Hasan Tirmiji. In July 1947, Hyderabad State Congress passed a resolution for merger of Hyderabad state into India.